Every journey begins in the soil, where quality is grown, not rushed. Only the best are allowed to move forward.
Volume matters, but precision matters more.
The harvest prepares itself for the next stage.
From field to road, the journey continues. This is where raw harvest meets engineered precision.
Entry is controlled, deliberate, and monitored.
Volume is welcomed, but order is enforced.
The internal journey begins.
Cleanliness is the first transformation. Before precision begins, purity is enforced. Every surface is stripped of its past.
Control starts with alignment.
Technology decides what hands no longer need to. Only the right grade moves ahead. Pressure removes what nature left behind. Nothing unnecessary is allowed to remain. Human eyes confirm machine precision. Uniformity is engineered, not guessed.
Every millimeter matters.
Before heat, moisture must leave.
This is where texture is born.
Heat is controlled, never left to chance.
Transformation reveals itself in color and sound.
Perfection is confirmed before flavor is added. Flavor is never random.
Every grain is measured. Consistency is engineered, not hoped for. Data confirms what the eye already trusts.
Automation keeps the rhythm intact. Before packing, order must be perfect. Only whole perfection moves ahead.
Balance is engineered before sealing.
Precision prepares the final step.
The line is ready to seal.
Quality is checked, not assumed.
Sound and strength define the crunch.
Balance is verified at the molecular level.
safety leaves no room for compromise.
Approval sends perfection forward. Precision now takes its final shape. Every pack carries its identity.
Thousands move as one.
The journey nears its destination.
And this is how modern factories produce chips from start to finish.